Almighty forces of God. Almighty fortresses of God, of all work never failing. Our helper he amid the flood of mortal ills prevailing. For still orange shall seek to work us before his craft and power is great, and arms with crew and handling on earth is not his equal. Delaying our own strength, confide our striving would be losing. Were not the right man on our side, a man of God's own choosing. Just as good that is